Welcome back Exponent Tech. So today we are going to discuss about the switch statements. So what are switch statements, how the syntax of the switch statements and all. So first of all, what is a switch statement? So switch statements execute one statement from multiple conditions. If you give it a multiple condition, then it will execute according to the condition which you have provided. Okay, so it is similar to the else if else if ladder only. So let's discuss about the syntax of the switch statement. So I have created a file named as public class 12 switch statements. So psvm. So let's first discuss about the syntax. Okay, so let me. Okay, so what is the syntax? Okay, so switch, I have to give the expression, or you can also tell it as condition. After giving the expression, I have to give a floor bracket. So next is we have to provide the case values. Case value 1, then write a set of statements over here, whatever you like. Then we have to give a break statement, then again case value 2, and then again statements, then break, and I can write n number of statements over here. Then at last case n, then statements, then again break. Okay, so I can create n number of case values based on the required statements. Okay, with the expression which I have given over here, it will check the expression within the value, then it will execute the required statement. Okay, so what is this break? So break is nothing but it breaks after the condition is executed. If suppose I have given some expression here value 1, and then I get the same as value 1, then it will execute this condition, this first case value, then after that it will break it. If I did not write this break, then it will check all the conditions and it will execute it. Okay, so therefore we have to write a break over here. Suppose if all the n expressions fail, so what the switch statement will execute? So there is one more statement called as default. Okay, so default, then statement. Okay, so if all the n case values fails, then the default statement will be executed. It is okay even if we don't write the default statement. Okay, if we don't give the default statement, then it will not execute any statement. Okay, so this is the syntax of the switch statement. So let's work on the questions. Suppose think I have some 10 values. Okay, thank you. I have some 10 values. Okay, from 1 to 10, from 1 to 10, or make it simpler, let me give it 5. Okay, the question is if I get number 2, then print as the number is 2. Okay, so let's decode this. Okay, so first of all I have to give one variable name which will store the number 2. Okay, let me take one variable as int number is equal to 2. So I am storing the variable number as 2. Okay, so let's write the switch statement now. Switch, what is the expression I have to give? the number is my variable, then let me write case 1. If case 1 is there, to shout the number is 1, right? After that, break the statement. Then for case 2, again write shout the number is 2. So I have to print like this, so I'm going to just copy and paste, write break over here. Okay, let me copy these two lines, Control C and Control V. I got one more floor bracket. Okay, let me edit this, change it to 3, then this to 4, then this to 3, right? This is 3 and this is 4, and one more case 5. Shout the number is 5 and break again. Okay, if I don't get any number, so let me give one default statement as shout the number is out of range. Okay, so have you got this? Switch the number whatever I have given over here, then the case 1, if it is 1 then print this value, if it is 2 then print this, if 3 then this, if there is nothing then just print the number is out of range. Okay, let me run this and let's see what is the output. So I got one error. Okay, I have selected and run it, so let me run it once again. So never select and run, then if you select and run then it will create one temp code file runner, so which is not useful. Okay, so I've given number 2, my case value 2 has some printing statement as the number is 2, therefore it is printed the number is 2. As you can see here, the number 2 is printed. Okay, what if I give here 5? Why am I getting error? Run it. Okay, as you can see here, the number is 5. It is printed over here. So what if I give here some number as 6? Let's see. Okay, the number is out of range as I have not provided a 6 named case value over here, therefore it is printed. Yeah, therefore it is printing the default value. What if I remove this default, save it and run it again with the same number as 6? As you can see here, nothing is printed. Okay, let me do it again. Suppose if I remove this variable and give some number here only, so what it will do? Oh, okay, it is printing the statements also. So instead of creating one variable and assigning it to a value, then giving the variable over here, you can directly write the values over here also. Okay, but sometimes you have to take the inputs from the user. Okay, so that's why we create one variable, then we assign some value to it, then we get the output. Okay, so this is the way of working of the switch statements. So in the upcoming videos we will be solving some more important questions on the switch statements, so wait for the videos to come. So let me wrap up this video here only. So bye bye, let me see you in the next video.